Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your theme in Microsoft Clipchamp. So I've got the Windows app open here and we're going to look for the settings icon here at the top right. It's a gear icon right beside your account icon. So go ahead and click that and then click on settings. So the editor theme should be the first thing you see, and you can choose to have it match your system theme, whether that's light or dark, or you can choose to have it set specifically to a light or dark theme. So I'm going to click on dark, and as you can see, my editor is now in dark mode, and you also get a notification at the bottom left. So it should be noted that this change only applies to your editor and doesn't get set when you're in your project library. So if I go back to the project library at the homepage, as you can see, it goes back to light mode. And currently there is no way to change this. But let's go back into a video project. And it's a lot easier on the eyes now that we've changed it to the dark theme. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.